Anusha, this is your document. So first of all, you need to correct it. So let me show you. Let's go to home page, home tab key, and here you must write English hyphen. Let's say your roll number is 18, then 10. So this is how you have to mention your roll number here. Okay. Now as far as this document is concerned, let me put my cursor here, and I'm using my laptop keyboard. So after the cursor has been placed here, let me magnify the document for you. Okay, now I think screen is clear for you. So what you have to do after placing the cursor here, press the enter button on the keyboard. Okay, like this. Okay, now this is your page number 1. As we can see, there is lot of space, so I'm going to put the cursor here and I'm pressing the tab. Okay, it is, as you can see, getting to the bottom. Okay, still there's lot of space. So now this picture needs to be monogram, has to be dragged down here. Okay, now here you can mention the date or month or April, let's say April 2020. Okay, and you can even mention the date as well, let's say 17 April. Now this write-up should be 12. Okay, as you can see here, and this can be at the most 16, and this should also be 16, or let's say okay. Now your title page is now settled and it is designed. In order to have a better look on it, go to the file menu on the top left corner, click, and there will be a button print. So click on print, and now you can select a printer if you have any printer. Otherwise virtual printer is cute PDF writer, it's a virtual printer. Now see here your document is designed, but this monogram needs to be shifted to the right a bit, and here you need to give more space, like under the roll number you need to create more space here. So let's go back to the home tab. See in the left corner, left top corner, there is a tab, home tab. When you click on the home tab, you are back onto your document. So place your cursor here and press enter button once or twice. Okay, now you can see okay, this picture needs to be shifted to the right. Okay, drag it to the right. Even the picture has to be formatted. Okay, click on the picture on the top where this name is Rustam. Here just go up and see toolbar format, click on the format button. Now here is color button, so select one of the colors, like this one or this one. I think this, if we select this one, it will remove all the background colors. So now this is your monogram. Now if you want to see it, this is quite big document. So here go to the top bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will see the zoom out button, as you can see here, and this is plus button, that is zoom in button. So when we click on zoom out button, so it is getting zoomed out. Okay, so now see the document is on the screen. Even you can further zoom it, and there will be 2 pages in front of you, as you can see now. So this is page number 1 on to the left side, and it shows the formatting. Okay, so page number 1 has been formatted, and here page number 2 still remains to be formatted. And here when we are going to press the cursor here, it will automatically move up, and the last page will be removed, as you can see here. So now there are 2 pages in front of you. So I'm going to make the second page bigger, so that zooming in. So here is zooming in. Now as we can see here, so whenever we submit an assignment, there should be an introduction section. Introduction. Okay, now place the cursor here, and here is the button left justification, left text, align text left. Okay, now you can click on bold, and the text should be 14. Okay, Now what you are going to write under this introduction section? Actually, simulation and elision, they are features of connected speech. So you must start your introduction that in connected speech like this. In connected let me correct it. In connected speech, the behavior of phonemes undergoes a change. Okay, so you have to write a paragraph on connected speech first, and you must enlist all the features of connected speech, like liaison, sentence stress, intonation. Then you can see that in the current assignment, I'm going to discuss two important features known as assimilation and elision. So after giving the introduction to the document, then you can start with assimilation. Okay, so I am just going to create space here. So in this space you have to write introduction. This is for everyone. Every student has to write an introduction. Now then you can write here assimilation. Let me type it for you, assimilation. So give it bold heading, bold text. Okay, text should be made bold, text bold, and 14. And now you can write assimilation like this. Assimilation is a general term, etc. Now your text, select all this text and here is left, or you can press Ctrl and A, Control All. Okay, Control A like this. I have pressed two keys on the keyboard, that is Control and A. The whole text has been selected. The other way is that you can go to the top like here and click here. Okay, then press the left mouse key and then drag to the right, and the whole text will be selected like this. After this, once the text has been selected, now press this button, so your text will be aligned to the left corner. Okay, now all the text has been aligned with the left corner. Okay, after discussing assimilation, you can write down your examples. Then you must discuss elision, another now let me check your document whether the page layout is A4 size. Your page is A4, orientation is portrait, margins are set at 1 inch. Okay, now let me check the space between lines. So here is the button. Let me go to the home tab. So see this line spacing, so it should be 1.5. okay, now your document. Okay, I will give you further feedback that this text you need to select, and I think let me select it here, and here is a button. It should be aligned with left, and again select this one, and here is the button, if you can see. Okay, now selection of this can be done like this. Okay, so every text needs to be aligned to the left. Now this text seems to be copied from internet resources, so later on I'll give you I had requested that you should watch the video and then write down your assignment using your own words, but maybe you might have written it yourself, but as I can read the text on the screen, it seems to be written by an expert, and I think it has to be copied. It must have been copied from an internet source. Anyhow, I'm going to give you feedback soon. So this feedback is preliminary feedback, and it has been provided just on the format of the document. Now your document is of 3 pages. Now this feedback is being provided on laptop or desktop computer. So I will also, if you want to introduce all these features on your smartphone and right phone, then I'll record another video, and because the format is different. Here, as you can see on the top, we have all these buttons and tabs. This is MS Word 2007, I think 2010. So maybe you are using any other version of MS Word or any other version of Windows in your laptop or desktop computer. Same way when we are using Android phone, so maybe we may be using different MS Office documents. So I'll explain using the Android screen as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. So if you have this definitely you must have this assignment back at home in your Android phone or laptop. So you are requested to amend it the way I have shown in this video. Later on I'll provide you further feedback.